Welcome to the Rover 600 and 800 Owners Club stand at the Resto Show at the NEC. We are here in Hall 5, right down the bottom, so head down to the bottom, right by the little restaurant cafe thing and the loos. Perfect, everyone needs those, so you come and see us as you head down. So do a little walk around. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a red theme going on. Walk around. There we go. We've got our new membership leaflets, makes it easy to join. And some service bulletins. I think there's flagships I need to go and collect in a bit. Actually, I'll come and show you those seats in a minute. Those are really rather lovely. We'll have a little walk round. Now, as you can see where we are, right down the bottom. So head down the bottom by the little cafe and the loos and you will find us. You have to come and see these seats. How cool are those? So Adam's managed to turn that round, I think, because as you can see on the other side of there, there's Rover. So here we are. I'll just do a little show round. The show is opens tomorrow for the public at 10 AM. And I think it's half five tomorrow night, something like that. And then Saturday and Sunday, so 3 days. So if you've already got your tickets, come up and see us. If you haven't and you fancy coming up, you can get tickets on the door. So it's a lovely show, and it's restoration show, so there will be, although we're not doing work on our cars, some stands are, so it's good fun. It's good to see. So hope to see some of you tomorrow and over the weekend.